Department of Science and Technology and the Department of Tourism is the launch of innovative halal food initiatives. As part of its commitment to enhancing the halal industry, DOST has developed comprehensive training modules under the Halal Research Ecosystem for Development and Innovation, or Ready Tourism project. This initiative is designed to support both the halal sector and the Philippine tourism industry, driving growth and ensuring high standards in halal food practices. As such, DOST is proud to officially turn over to DOT the halal training modules developed by DOST Region 11. Again, to lead the turnover ceremony, may I request our DOST Secretary Renato Solidum Jr. and DOT Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco. They will also be joined by DOST Undersecretary for Regional Operations Dr. Sancho A. Maborang and DOT Undersecretary Berna Esmeralda C. Buensuquezo. Joining them as well is Assistant Secretary Diana L. Ignacio. I'm requesting the assistance of our technical team and photographers for the photo opportunity. I'm also inviting DOT Assistant Secretary Warner M. Andrada to join them on stage. Our dear officials, I can tell that we are all excited about the potential of this initiative to significantly enhance the halal industry in our country, together of course with the development and deployment of the Tourlista Application 2.0.